you are given this kind of questions, solve using the method of completing the square. So if we are given this x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. So the next thing we're going to do is that we need to collect like terms, because this is the only one that has the same numerical value and this. So I need to transfer this plus 3, I need to transfer it to the other side there. It becomes x squared plus 4x equals minus 3. Now once I've done that, so I'll now pick this. I will find half of what? Half of 4. I can just write it somewhere. 4 divided by 2, which is what? 2. So you now squared everything. So the next line is now add 2 all squared to both sides. So this implies x squared plus 4x plus 2 all squared equals minus 3 plus 2 all squared. So the next thing is now we have to pick one of these x, and we have to pick one of these plus 2 all squared. Because if we do the expansion of this, we will arrive at this equals minus 3 plus 4. So we have x plus 2 all squared will give us minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So we now have take the square root of both sides. Square root of both sides. So we now have x plus 2 all squared, taking the square root equals to plus or minus square root of what? Of 1. This will cancel out this. So we now have x plus 2 equals to plus or minus square root of 1. And square root of 1 is what? Is 1 plus 2 equals to plus or minus 1. These and these, they are like terms. So the next thing we're going to do is that we need to collect like terms. Collecting like terms. We now have x will now give us plus or minus 2. Sorry. Plus or minus 1 minus 2. X will now give us 1 minus 2, or x will give us minus 1 minus 2, positive plus positive, negative and negative. So here we now have 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 minus 3, which is equals to what? Minus 3. So x is equals to minus 1 or minus 3.